Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys, I'm going to be addressing a problem that I came across. So I ran into this problem when I recently bought a USB network adapter because in my computer I didn't really have a working Wi-Fi card adapter in terms of like PCIe. So I ventured out on Amazon and I bought a USB Wi-Fi adapter, and obviously it came with a disc for the drivers that belong to the USB Wi-Fi adapter. However, my computer is not so archaic that I still have a fucking disk drive, so I could not install for the life of me these drivers. So the next step was to look online, and now looking online, it was another fucking headache. And I'm sure a lot of people are having the same problem with regards to installing drivers for their USB wireless adapter. And I have come up with a potential solution and something that did work for me, and I'm pretty sure this should be a universal solution for pretty much most, if not all, USB network wireless adapters. Okay, so right now you can see I do have Wi-Fi, I do also have an Ethernet cable connected, but I disabled the adapter for that, so I'm not using the Ethernet cable anymore, even though it is connected. And if I ever do need to resort to Ethernet, it's just that my Wi-Fi, the way my internet and broadband is set up, my Wi-Fi connection is much more better and faster than my Ethernet. So that's why I wanted to use my Wi-Fi. I wanted to get access to Wi-Fi, and I ran into this problem where I didn't have any drivers for the USB adapter. However, I managed to do some digging and I came across what I think are universal drivers for pretty much all USB adapters. So I'm gonna uninstall this to bring us back to the state I was in, and you guys would most likely be in, prior to finding a solution. So you can see once you plug in your USB adapter, you're going to be here, right? Okay, unfortunately it's just installed the drive automatically, which is a bit of a fucking mistake. So essentially you're gonna have something where it says unknown devices or other devices, and it's gonna say something like 802.11ac something adapter. Okay, this is the adapter with the drivers installed, so it's correctly identified like this. Yep, 802.11ac USB adapter, unknown, and you're gonna have to right click it and press update driver software. Okay, so imagine right now I don't have any drivers installed. It has that this kind of exclamation yellow warning sign on it, like it does here. Right click that. Yep. Press update driver software. Don't press this, press browse my computer. Okay, now what you want to do now? Okay, I could possibly uninstall this, to be honest, and get a fresh version so you guys can see. So I'm just gonna uninstall it. Okay, then I want to install this. So you guys can go back to the beginning from when there. So no driver found. Okay, there we go. It's because the files I'm going to give you comes with a installer where you can install it into your C drive or whatever drive, and then when you plug in your USB adapter, it will basically automatically find it. However, this is if you are starting from computer management and you are here. So you're going to be here. Okay, press update driver software like I just said, browse my computer. Now press browse from here. Now you're going to download the file that I provide in the description. It's going to be in a zip file like this. What you want to do is drag it out, press extract, let it extract like this. Okay, yep, and then you're going to see a folder like this. Okay, this folder, you're going to find it in this box here where it says browse folder. You're going to select this one, press OK. That's it. Press next. It's going to search for it in the folder. It's going to find it. It's going to find the driver software, and done. It's installed. That's it. And now you can see everything is done. You can just go here. You can make sure everything is cool. And now I have all these connections ready. So I'm just gonna show you that it works. I'm gonna connect to my broadband. And you can see, bam, one bam, thank you ma'am. Do a little speed test to show you that it works. Make sure that it works. Everything works fine and dandy. You can see here that it all works fine. My Wi-Fi is working, you know. And that's pretty much it, guys. So make sure you download that file, the folder, the zip file, extract it to your desktop. Go to computer, right click it, press manage, go to device manager. Look for the unknown device thing. Right click it, update driver software, browse my computer, browse for it, click that newly extracted folder, press OK, and you're going to be done. Another thing you can do with this file I'm going to give you, you can press setup.exe. Now you can see what it's doing. It's going to install the wireless LAN drivers into your computer, where now if you were to plug in any driverless USB adapter, wireless adapter, then it will automatically install the drivers from that installation, from this installation. Okay, it will tell you to restart your computer, so make sure you do that, and then you can just simply connect. That's it, bam. So now that's why when I pressed uninstall, it automatically found the drivers already, because I installed it using a setup here. Yep. Okay. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure you just follow all the instructions. You should be fine after that. I'm just gonna do one last speed test because I want to see if there's any difference between using a setup and using Windows to install the drivers actually. That doesn't look like there's much of a difference. Usually I do get much higher speeds than this, I don't know why. Just a bit iffy now. I have to go speak to my broadband providers because they're not giving me the most speed that I deserve, I'm paying for. So anyway, guys, hope this video has helped you. If it has helped you, make sure you guys leave a like. Make sure to subscribe as well for more content like this. Yep. that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.